If you were born on November 23rd to December 21st, you're considered a Sagittarius. So what are Sagittarius sexual desires? You click this video to find out, and that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. And I don't know why I started off like this. It was trying to make a heart, but then I kind of like fucked up. Whatever. Sagittarius are very adventurous and love to get down and dirty. Yeah. When they find that special someone, they tend to be calmer. So if you or someone you know is a Sagittarius, keep that same energy up. Sagittarius love to travel and experience new things. So sex in one night in Paris and the other one in Barcelona, they're about that life. They tend to be very free at the house. So don't feel like you're limited to just in the house only. Switch things up a little bit, why don't you? Sagittariuses are the ones that are most likely to leave their comfort zone, broaden their minds, and leave a mark on the wall, on the world. And if that mark is on you, you're one lucky bastard. They can be very independent and make way for themselves. Sex isn't something that's constantly on their minds. They love someone with smarts, spirituality, and even someone that has a very nice sexual appetite like them. By the way, Sagittariuses are all in. It's either you go big or you go home. Like, don't waste their time at all. Did I forget to mention that they love toys? They have no shame. Kudos to them. When it comes to the best sex for Sagittarius, we're talking about Aries and Gemini. If you like this video, I made a whole ass, my leg hurts. If you like this video and you want to check out more horoscope sexual desires, I made a whole playlist of them. So you can check out each sexual desire for each horoscope. If you want to learn more about Geminis and you want to figure out what turns them on and what they like, definitely give that video a watch. Yeah, watch, apply, and stay safe. I'm out.